Hey y'all, I made a clear broth soup today with vegetables in it. Just wanted to share this with you, something you could do at home. It was amazingly quick. You know, my head kept telling me that I needed all of these things. Lie. You know what? I've got some chicken broth, low sodium for me, and I purchased, I had some frozen vegetables from Aldi's, 98 cents, and I have some cilantro, which is a fresh herb. You can get it for $1 or so at your local grocery store if they carry fresh herbs. I put some spring onions. You could buy spring onions, and with the root, you can leave in the refrigerator in a little water, and it'll regrow, it'll repurpose and grow again. That God is so amazing. And then I went and with that bag of mixed vegetables, it was carrots and cauliflower and broccoli. And then it was 3 cups of broth. It was, I think, a cup of water. Not sure if I put that in, but anyhow, it was 3 cups of broth. It was salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. The vegetables, it was the cilantro, about a tablespoonful. I pulled it. I even threw the stems in there. You know what? I'm going to just research that because God makes things in wholeness, and we just haven't been taught. So I'm learning, but I wanted to share this soup with you. It is 10 stars. I'm not going to give it 5. When I tasted it and I cooked it down and let it simmer and simmer, for those who need soft vegetables, who can't eat the hard vegetables, just let it cook down and the vegetables will soften. Then I put some fresh mushrooms in it, the baby bella mushrooms. It could be any kind of mushrooms. That just happened to be on sale for a good price, so I grabbed those up. The portobello mushrooms, they say, are good for burgers. You could chop it, and then make like a meatball and stuff. You could do that with other vegetables and stuff. I'm learning so much and stuff as God gives me the ability, and I want to know. So I made this soup. It was 10 stars. So I wanted to come on and give you a quick tutorial, another way to save money, because if I was to buy this in the restaurant, they might want $8 for like a quart or a pint or something. So go ahead and venture out and start making soups and stuff. Very, very delicious. You could do rice with it on the side or put the rice in it. Just a little. You don't need a whole bunch because you don't want it to take up all your soup, the liquid in the soup. So have a great day. This is Fern from FML Diversify. Let me know what you do. Put it in the comment if you venture out into doing any of these soups and stuff. I'm going to try to do me a New England clam chowder. I'll post it when I do. And there's a chicken dumpling I want to do. That was my favorite when I was a young girl, but it was out of the can. I want to do a fresh chicken dumpling. So there are things that you can do with your time and resources. It seems like a lot, but you know what? The final product, when it's superb and seasoned to taste, and you'll be able to get a good quality mix. You know, y'all jump into those Chipotle copycat recipes that's online and stuff. They got all kind of recipes that's online that people have made, and they're making their own food and save you a ton of money. Yes, sometimes the ingredients may cost a little extra, but you know what you get at the end of that? You're getting a healthy body and a healthy mindset, and get that brain fog out of your mind. Start getting that sugar, decreasing the sugar. Leave those sodas alone. They are no good for you, I'm telling you. And I'm going to do some more studies on the salt and the sugar contents that the Lord had led me to and gave me years ago. You be encouraged. Have a wonderful rest of the day. This is Fern from FML Diversify. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.